Hi everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. I'm Emilio Gil. I'm full professor at Polytechnic University of Catalonia, here in Barcelona, Spain, and director of the research group of a unit of agricultural machinery. And we are here today to talk about precision agriculture. So, if you don't mind, let's start. What is precision agriculture? There is a simple definition of precision agriculture, which is doing whatever must be done in the right place, at the right time, in the right way. This is a very simple definition. You don't need any sophisticated technologies. You don't need to invest a fortune to proceed with precision agriculture. Recently developed by the International Society of Precision Agriculture, means precision agriculture is a management strategy that gathers, processes, and analyzes temporal, spatial, and individual data and combines it with other information to support management decisions according to estimated variability for improved resource use efficiency, productivity, quality, profitability, and sustainability of agricultural production. So it's clear that precision agriculture is based on the variability within the parcel. And we need to be sure that we are able to obtain this information, this variability, and we are able to interpret this variability according to the needs of the crop in this case, as you can see in the images. It's clear that all the files, all the agricultural areas, they are not homogeneous, of course. And unfortunately, the human eye, farmers, they are not able to see, to realize about those differences. So we are trying to take advantage of this variability. We are trying to take into consideration this variability to make a differential management of the different inputs as fertilizers, seeders, pesticides, and other resources as water. It's clear that everybody knows that all files are heterogeneous, and in most cases, the human eye's perspectives is not allowed to realize about these differences. So that's the reason why we need technology. We need additional support in order to take advantage of this variability. And this is why we are talking about the precision farming, because the greater is the knowledge of the information, the better will be the management and the results. But not also in the field, not only in the field, but also out of the field in post-harvest, because all together will lead to the farmer, will lead to the producers to increase the quality, to increase yields, to reduce the environmental impact, and by the way, to reduce the operational costs. And all together, this is what we are looking for, trying to find a better solution for farmers. This is the very famous cycle of precision agriculture. It started with the data acquisition using different devices. So we have a lot of information. We will need to extract information and to interpret this information. Then we will make decisions, and finally, we will need to actuate according to this decision previously made, right? And this is another way to see how the cycle of precision agriculture is built. From the harvest process, the harvest machine, we are able to obtain important information about the soil characteristics, weather conditions, and other type of information. We process this information, and we need differential machines to be able to adapt, to make this variable application in the field. And then we are collecting all this information constantly. This precision farming offers to farmers additional brain to analyze and to decide according to this huge amount of information. And precision farming finally offers to farmers additional arms to execute and to actuate in a proper way in the field in order to distribute in a most uniform, sustainable, environmental, safe, and economical profitability of all the resources.